Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect columns on Monday.com. This feature is incredibly powerful. To begin, make sure you're logged in to your Monday.com account. Once you're in, choose the workspace that contains the boards you want to work with. In my case, I'm working inside the Property Inventory workspace, but you can do this with any board that fits your needs, whether it's for tasks, programs, events, or internal projects. After selecting your workspace, open the board where you want to create the connection. This will be the board that receives information from another board. Once you're inside, look toward the top of your columns and you'll see a small plus button. This is where you add new columns. Click on the plus button and you'll see a list of different column types you can add. Monday.com gives you many options here: status, date, numbers, drop-downs, tags, people, text, and more. But for this tutorial, we're going to search for Connect Boards. This is the special column that lets you link one board to another, allowing them to share information automatically. Once you select Connect Boards, a new window will open asking you to choose which board you want to connect. This could be your programs board, your projects board, your sales board, or any board that stores the information you need. In this example, I'm connecting to the Programs and Projects board. Once you select your board, click Connect Boards, and the connection will be created instantly. Next, Monday.com will ask if you want to add a mirror column. You can choose to create it now or later. A mirror column is extremely useful because it pulls specific information from the connected board, such as status updates, assigned team members, deadlines, budget numbers, or any other data, so you can see everything in one place without switching boards. For example, if you're managing inventory on one board and tracking project phases on another, the mirror column can help you view project statuses directly inside your inventory board. It keeps things synchronized and eliminates the need to copy information manually. Once your boards are connected, try clicking on the new connected column. You'll notice that it displays items from the other board. This makes it easy to link related tasks, match inventory to specific projects, or organize data across departments. And that's it. That's how you connect columns and link boards together on Monday.com. With connected boards and mirror columns, your workflow becomes more automated, more organized, and much easier to manage. Make sure to check out our other tutorials if you want to learn more about Monday.com tools and features. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.